The stream's tranquil surface belies its powerful undercurrents, reminding us to delve beneath appearances and seek deeper truths. Lessons from the humble stream echo that even the smallest droplets contribute to the vastness of existence, for unity births greatness. The stream's dance with obstacles teaches that challenges shape our journey, much like pebbles refine its course and melodies. The stream's unwavering course reminds us that even in chaos, there's an order. Life's tapestry weaves purpose from seeming randomness. Just as the stream's destination is the boundless ocean, our journey leads to the vastness of self-discovery and the horizon of wisdom. From the humble stream song, we learn that even in silence, there's a symphony of existence, and in our presence, life's music plays on. May these quotes flow through your thoughts like the waters of the humble stream, offering insights and inspiration. Flow with us on a path of motivation. Hit subscribe, like, and share, and let the humble stream of wisdom guide your inner growth.